I decided to cook a couple of trial dishes for the next day's party. Simple Italian with an Indian twist. So I'm gonna make a simple calamari dish, and it's gonna be done in the Puttanesca style. So the first thing, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. You heat that up, and some garlic. I wanna keep my garlic whole because I want it to do its job, and then I wanna remove it just before serving. And in go my capers, some green and black olives, and a little bit of chili pepper. Now some fresh green chilies, give those a chop. And now some peeled plum tomatoes, and give it a rough chop, and in it goes. And you can really smell all those flavors coming together. A little hit of coriander, or as Chef Cyrus calls it, Indian MSG. And also for a little Indo spin, some cinnamon powder. Just a little bit, that's gonna really give an interesting flavor profile. And now in goes the calamari. Tentacles and all. Now all that excess tomato juice right in. A little bit of salt. And some black pepper. Just gonna let that cook for another few minutes and it's done. And I'm just gonna add a nice fresh hit of coriander. There you have it. Simple calamari alla puttanesca with that little Indian flair.